Well, yeah, this is my bike check. I got the Mission Echo front rim and a Mission valve cap, light green, whatever. Oh, and the spokes are from Alienation, laced by Alienation, and the Mission React back rim, laced by Alienation. And I got my Shadow Conspiracy Ravager PC pedals, and I got my Odyssey Spacebars, and I got my Animal Edwin grips, soft as hell. I got my Shadow barends, and I got a new headset because mine broke. So yeah, fuck that shit. But it's pretty cool. Look at that. That's so awesome right there. And oh yeah, you don't see this every day. Yeah, yellow and black chain. Look at that. Look, look at that. Yeah, KMC yellow chain. Oh, hold this.
Don't shine in my face.
It sounds louder if you're on sleep, but yeah. Alright, this is my Verde Eon 2011. Custom from Dan's Comp. Good website. Yeah, there's more to come. I said come.